Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome back. This is just me doing a quick video on a small repair I had to do on my guitar pedal. That's nothing major, I just wanted to, get my chops up here. I've had this thing since, I think I bought it in 2008, so it's probably 12 years old. Yeah, it basically doesn't come on when the battery is the power supply. With the AC adapter connected, it seems to work fine. But everything looks pretty good. So yeah, let me just show you what I mean here. Typically it would all light up here and tell you which note it is. So as you can see, nothing works. And the first thing I always do in these situations is I'm going to test the battery to make sure it's not the battery, because we've all been there. So I just want to make sure that I'm reading 9 volts. So one thing I noticed when taking the 9-volt battery off was the black wire came loose. So obviously the connection was bad and I just forced it out trying to get that battery on. So this is going to be the repair, basically just soldering on this connection to the terminal. I don't do any soldering at home, so this is a cool thing for me to do. And it's fun, it's practice. Here where I am in the east coast of Canada, we'll say, it's just the second wave is starting now, so this is perfect opportunity for me to do this. Just a little look inside. There's not much to this one. I've been using this thing forever and it's never really let me down, so let's hope it brings another 10 years. Just stripping back the wire so I can have a nice clean connection. Yeah, this is my first time using that particular soldering gun in many years. I've had it in my toolbox. I never use it, but I think it turned out pretty good. It's hard to see. And I'm just going to fashion up a little casing for the battery with some electrical tape. Listen, it's pretty crude, but it's better than nothing. All right, so let's test this thing out. Let's see if it all worked out. Sometimes things as basic as this can cause you a great deal of grief, so my fingers are crossed. Awesome. Worked perfect. Thanks for watching. It's a really quick video and it's super simple repair. But, like I said, just trying to get my chops up. The next video is going to be a little more involved, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Take care.